Knock, knock, knock. Hello, beauties. How are you doing? Hopefully, you're good. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, it's all about Brazil wool hairstyle. And I'll be taking you guys step by step on how to get this look. And you can start this look in different ways as usual. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new to this family, you're welcome. My name is Tui, and if you find this video is useful, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, because if you do that, YouTube will push this video to more people. And don't forget to subscribe. So to start, I part my hair from ear to ear first, and then I'll be working from the back side. And as you can see, today I decided to do something different. I do triangle shape. Of course, I part my hair first, and then I use this gel or sand gel to apply on my lines or sections to get clean and neat sections. So after I apply some also gel, I go ahead and I redo the line again to get clean and neat, as you can see. Because I said earlier today I tried something new to do triangle shape, the first section I'll do like this. I'll make slide side, as you can see, and the first section does not look well like triangle, but don't worry, I use total of 3 parts, and this is the length I use in back side. So the more you keep braiding, add the length so that you get even sections. And then each section I use 5 strands of Brazil wool plus this 1 strand I'll be using wrapping. So total I use 6 strands. Hopefully this makes sense. Before you start braiding, make sure both sides are even. So this is how I hold these 5 strands together with my natural hair. As you can see, all of the 5 strands I hold them together with my natural hair, while the 1 strand I fold, I'll be using wrapping. You don't need to wrap too tight because you don't want to cause any tension. No specific amount how many times you're supposed to wrap before you make twists. Wrap till you feel like it's okay, you hold your hair well. Apply some gel on your natural hair so that it will be easier for you to tuck in your hair. Before you start make twists, make sure you roll the wool so that you can get clean and neat twists. Keep roll and wrap, and the way you are rolling, make sure you roll opposite direction with the direction you are wrapping to get twists. Hopefully this makes sense. As you can see, I'm rolling going left side, and I'm wrapping going right side. And then it doesn't matter how many times you make twists, you go till you feel like yes, here it's okay. Then pull the wool down, and the remaining wool, pull them up. You may decide to resize the size of the twist you want. It's not necessarily like to make all of them look even, because after you finish to braid, no one can notice that there are bigger twists and smaller. So be comfortable. After you pull, make sure you resize your twist up to the size you want. So I'll work with the chest length. After I feel like the size is okay, I go ahead and I secure. I take tiny piece and I wrap couple times, and then I secure just like this way. Okay, this is how I make triangle shapes. In case you don't have any idea, one goes this way, one goes this way, and this is how I'll keep going till the end of this side. Here we are almost done with back side, and let me finish this, the last one. This is how I hold middle sections. And then don't forget to apply some gel on your hair, because that will help you to tuck in your hair. And once you tuck in your hair, you will make your style last longer. Don't forget, before you wrap, make sure you roll the wool and then keep wrapping, roll, wrapping, roll, wrapping. Once you wrap like 10 times, go ahead and pull the twist up and then use your other hand resize. Don't release the wool. You have to make sure all the way till you finish your section you hold the wool, especially the wool you are using to wrap. You cannot release that wool, because once you do that, all of the twists, they're going to unravel. And then go till your desired length, secure in the end, because you don't want your hair to unravel. Here we go. In front part, I do love to say go with the shape of your face. You may either decide to go with this side, but go with your shape size. And as you can see, this small size, these are left over. We are not throwing anything, honey. Go ahead and keep your leftover, because you'll be using them in this part. You may either decide to go with any shapes in front, so wrap till you feel like it's longer enough to connect from the first to second, from second to third, and then take another new strand, wrap like 3 times, 4 times, and then hold those strands, section 1 to section 2, hold them together and then keep wrapping. Do the same thing to the third section. And because you don't want the section to unravel, in the end, secure. And once you join these 2 sections together, don't forget to pull or to unravel the place you secure, because you don't want to put big knots. So go ahead and pull the knots you tie before you wrap the entire section, because you don't want to put bigger knots. So the last one, just wrap several times, then secure well, cut off all the remaining wool, and then take the same strands, 5 strands plus 1, and then do the same thing as you did in the back. That's what I'm doing here. And then to tuck in the hair well, of course, apply some gel, tuck in the hair well, and then repeat exactly the same thing. Wrap and twist, wrap and twist. And then after you wrap a couple times, go ahead and pull your twist up and add the section, pull them down, and then resize your twist. In the end, don't forget to secure your twist. Let me show you one more time. The first section, I wrap and then secure. I go ahead, another section, which I take a new strand, wrap couple times, and then I take section number 1, I hold them together with section number 2, wrap couple times till I feel like the distance from step 2 is longer enough to hold to step 3 or section number 3. And then you may decide to secure, or you may either decide to use hair clips if you have, and then go ahead and wrap again like this. This style is so easy, and you can achieve this style within 4 hours if you are sharp enough. Then after the last one, don't forget to secure well, and trim off all the excess wool. And then this side, I go this way. As you can see, my lines, they are not straight. Just make sure like it's a kind of triangle but not triangle. And then here we go with this, the last section. As you can see, it comes out in triangle shape, though I didn't plan to do that. I just find it comes natural. So let me go ahead and finish this section, which I do exactly the same thing. Don't forget, in the end of each line, do the same thing, fake twists. Take the same 5 strands plus 1 and then wrap in every end of the line to get something nice and beautiful. Keep wrapping and twist, wrapping and twist, wrapping and twist till in the end. Once you get familiar with this method, you'll find out it's so easy to make this hairstyle, and I'm telling you, this hairstyle lasts up to 3 months because first of all, Brazil wool does not have bad smell and it's so light, so it's so easy to style your hair. And then in the end, secure well. And after that, let me go ahead and trim off all the excess wool, and then I will show you guys the final look. Be careful. You might either decide to burn the ends, but I don't like to burn the ends because it's stuck on my t-shirts and it makes my t-shirt look so ugly. So I don't love burning. After this, guys, this is the final look for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones you wish they know how to style this hairstyle. I love you guys so much, and thank you for your support. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.